Welcome to Mala Bead Meditations with Meg. In this video, you're going to learn how to saturate your wooden mala beads with essential oils. First, you want to gather your materials. You want your wooden mala beads, your coconut oil, and the chosen essential oil. I choose Acacia. Next, you're going to open the coconut oil and grab a small amount. Then you're going to add the essential oils. I'll show you how to mix it here. I like to add 4 or 5 drops. Sometimes it takes a while to get out of the bottle. Next, you blend the oil. Keep rubbing it into your hands until it dissolves. Once it's nice and dissolved, you're going to pick up your mala beads. You can tell the wooden mala beads are nice and light brown. That means they're pretty dry. You want to infuse them with oils so they don't crack. Once they crack, they may break off of your necklace. Next, I'm going to pick up the mala beads with my coconut oiled hands. You can see the light tan wood slowly turning glossy brown. I've slowed down the video so you can see how it happens. I'm going to be sure to rub the oil on every surface of the beads, rotating them through my fingers. Even the anchor bead. This is at normal speed now. You can see the beads are almost completely coated. Now that the beads are completely covered in oil and fragrance, I'm going to set them down. You can see how nice and shiny they are. This is 15 minutes later. You can see that the shininess is starting to dull. They're still very fragrant, but they're really absorbing the oils now. Finally, 30 minutes later, you can see that the oils are mostly absorbed. The light tan beads are gone, replaced with beautiful, shiny, dark brown wood. These moisturized beads shouldn't have any issue of cracking anytime soon. I hope this has been a useful video. I'll see you soon at Mala Bead Meditations.